Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tazib sir, my dear students, and I hope you all are fine and safe, my dear students, at your home. So today, what we have started in yesterday, my dear students. Yesterday we started chapter number 11, and today we are going to learn a new topic. Okay, perimeter and area. Yesterday we take introductions of perimeter and area, and today, my dear students, we are going to check what is a perimeter and area. It's a definition and it's some example. Today we are going to learn, my dear students. Understood what I am telling you, my dear students? Today we are going to learn a definition of perimeter and area and some important example. Okay, and this all and things we are going to learn today as per our schedule. So, my dear students, before starting our sessions, what we are present here, quote. Okay, so let's check here today's quote, my dear students, and then after we will move on further. So now I'm going to present today's quote. Okay, so today's quote, my dear students, is what? Perform like you were never lost. Means we have to give our best performance, we never lost. What my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? We give a performance like we always, means a best. Okay, means a never lost. What my points? It's today's quote, my dear students. And then after, my dear students, we will move on further. Our new topic is what is a perimeter. Okay, so now, my dear students, what is a perimeter? So today we are going to learn what is the perimeter. See here the example of the perimeter. Here is all arrows, these arrows, these arrows, this arrow, and these arrows. All these arrows are present, are shown, shows a perimeter. Okay, perimeter, they all are shows perimeter. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, what is the perimeter? The perimeter is the distance allow the way around the outside of 2D shape. Here is the 2D shape, not a 3D shape. Means if we have in front our front of, means we have in our front of any box type things, means a square type things, box type things, or a rectangular things. So what we say that time we say it's a 3D. Okay, alive any things are present in front of us, so that time we are say it's a 3D shape. But if we have to draw a figure, we are going to draw a figure. So that time what we speak, that time we are say what? 2D shape. Okay, what is the full form of 2D and 3D? 2D it's 2-dimensional and 3D is 3-dimensional. Okay, 3D is a very clear image to then to the 2D. Got my points, my dear students? So my dear students, it's the definition of perimeter. What is the perimeter? The perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of a 2D shape. Which shape, my dear students? 2D shape. Understood, dear? The perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of 2D shape. So my dear students, again and again I am telling you, here the definition of perimeter. What here is the definition of perimeter? Properly definition means proper word. What is the perimeter? It's here. Okay, so see, this is all arrows, black arrows. See this black arrow, this and this all are what shows the perimeter. So okay, green lines are separated to the corner. So my dear students, now I hope you all written here. These are definitions. What is the perimeter? Again, I am going to explain a perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of 2D shape. Okay, I hope you have done. Now we will move on for the area and perimeter. What dear? Area and perimeter. Here both meanings and its both definition is here. Area and perimeter. What is the area? Area is the amount of the space an object takes up. What, my dear students? Area. What is the area? Area is the amount of the space and objects take place. Area and area practice. So, my dear students, is this both the definition of area and perimeter? My points, my dear students, what is the area? Area means area is the amount of the space and object take place. What dear? Area. What is the area? Area is the amount of the space and object take place. Area and area practice. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around an object. Perimeter is what? Outside line, outside a lines. See, this is a black lines. Okay, this is this black line, this and this. All are shows the perimeter of this figure. And this is all a purple or blue part. It shows area. See, my dear students, here. Got my points, my dear students? It shows perimeter. It shows perimeter and it shows area. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you, dear all? Okay, this is a whole thing importance for us. It shows a perimeter and it shows a area. Got my points, all dear? So this is all important things for us. Okay, this is all important things for us, my dear students. So we have to learn. We are going to learn as like that. First of all, if any figure we have, so we check the outside of the border, and it's a what? It's a perimeter. See, it's a perimeter. Okay, it's the perimeter. And if we are going to check the inside the space, so it's what, my dear students? Inside the space, it's a what? Inside the space, it's a area. Inside space is what? Area, and outside area, it's a perimeter. See, this is the black line. It's called what, my dear students? It's called perimeter. Understood, my dear students? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Again, I repeat for you, area and perimeter. Area is the amount of the space an object take place. What, dear? Area is the amount of the space an object take place. And then, my dear students, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around an object, my dear students. Distance around a object. Got my points, my dear students? Is the perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around an object. And here is what? What is the area? Area is the amount of the space an object take place. Got my points, my dear? Understood what I am telling you, my dear all? So this is all important for us. It's area practice and perimeter practice. Square means here is rectangle, and rectangle shows both things, area and perimeter. Outside lines, it shows what? Perimeter, and inside the lines it shows what, my dear students? Inside the line it shows, my dear students, area, and outside the line, see, it shows a perimeter. It shows a perimeter, dear. Understood, dear? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. It's the perimeter. So now we will move on further, my dear students. Our next is all sides. Okay, let's check here. So it's what? Perimeter and all sides. See. Okay, what my dear students, see here. My dear students, this is all important for us. To as like that, my dear students, is the 7. Okay, we are going to draw as like that, my dear students. Got my points? Understood all? So we are going to learn as like that of all things, my dear students. Perimeter, see here the perimeter and all sides. Here is this side is 6 centimeter. Here is the 7 centimeter, and then here is the 4 centimeter. Here is the 2 centimeter, and here is 3, and here is the 4. Yesterday, as per I was told you, you count a one box. Okay, this type of the box. See this box, and you are going to draw as like that, my dear students. One box is equal to 1 unit. Got my points? One box is equal to 1 unit. Understood, my dear students? Got my points? I hope you all are understood. So it's the perimeter and all sides. And if any people to say to you, dear, you are going to find a perimeter. So how can you find? So first of all, you do the addition. 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, dear? Got my points, my dear? Okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. As per I was told you, my dear students, what you have to do? You have to count one unit per one box. So here only they give a 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter again, and then 6 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay. So this is what, my dear students, this is we have to add a all side. Okay. So my dear students, here only we will do the addition, simple additions of all side. They give us to our centimeter. Okay, first 6 centimeter, so I put here the 6 centimeter. Okay, then after a 4 centimeter, my dear students, 4 centimeter, so I put here the 4 centimeter. Then after, my dear students, after 4 centimeter is 3 or 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, my dear students. Then after, my dear students, we put a 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Then we put again 4 centimeter, dear. So I put here the 4 centimeter again. Then last put the 7 centimeter. So it's a 7. Okay. So this is all thing mentioned here. 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Okay, my dear students, here we will going to what? Here we will going to do a addition. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood, dear. Okay, so this is the what? This is all addition. Got my points? So this is very important for us, my dear students. You have to do in your book. Okay, so now here we have to do the simple addition. What, my dear students? Here we will going to do the simple addition. Got my point? So now I am going to count the all centimeter of all side of this, and I am find the perimeter. Okay, what I am going to find now? I am going to find now perimeters. Okay, don't forget and don't write a wrong spellings. P-E-R-I, meter, M-E-T-R-E, meters. Okay, perimeter. If a one, so we say a perimeter, and if it's have a one and more, so we can say that perimeters. Understood? My points, my dear students, what I am telling you, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. This is important for us. So now first of all, here 6 centimeter. 6 plus 4. How many, my dear students? 6 plus 4. 6 and 4 is equal to 10. 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 plus 2 and 3 is equal to 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 50. 15 plus 4, 15 plus 4. How many, my dear students? 19. 19 plus 7. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. How many, my dear students? 26. Okay. So answer is what? 26 centimeter. Okay. It's our answer, my dear. Got my points? 26 centimeter is our answer, my dear students. So now you note down this, my dear students, this sum, and then after we will move on further, my dear. Got my points? Understood, my dear students? As per I was told you, my dear, as per I was told you, dear, what you are doing, you are do the proper work. Okay, my dear, you do a proper written work, sir. So here is our answer and question. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19. 19 plus 7. So it's 27, but we have to count. 17, then after 18, 17. Now you have. Okay. So then after about, my dear students, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Okay, so answer is what, my dear students? 26 centimeter. How many centimeter, my dear students? 26 centimeter. Okay, now, my dear students, we will move on further our next topic. So it's area and perimeter, my dear students. Understood all? It's the area and perimeter. So dear, it's the area and perimeter. Here again this definition is come, my dear students. Area and perimeter. Perimeter, the distance around the outside of the shape. The distance around the outside of the shape. Okay, and perimeter is always present or present with P. Okay, because of the first letter. Got my points? It's because of first letter, but see here. Okay, it's the first letter of this perimeter words. Got my points? Perimeter is the first word. Is the perimeter. First word is what? Perimeter, dear. Area and perimeter. Perimeter, the distance around the outside of a space, means shape. Okay, a distance around the outside of the shape. Okay, and perimeter is always present as like that a P. My points, my dear students, we always present as a form of P, dear. Got my point? So now you note down this is the definition of the perimeter. Again, this is all important for us, dear. This is a whole things important for us, my dear students. So note down this perimeter, and then further we are going to learn area. Okay, then further we are going to learn area. Then we are going to learn about the area, my dear students. Okay, so now I am going to present here the area. It's the area. The number of the square. What, my dear students? Area, the number of the square units inside a shape. The number of the square units inside a shape. Okay, and area is represented as a form of alphabet A. Okay, area is the presented as a form of A. The number of the square units inside a shape. A length means area means what? A length and width. Okay, a length and width, my dear students. Got my points? Area is what? A length and width, dear. Okay, width, not a width, W-I-T-H, not a width, width. Okay, W-I-D-T-H. Here is a D. W-I-D-T-H, width. Okay, see here the units, 4 units and 3 units. So 4 3s are 12. So area is what? 12 square units. But if we are going to find the perimeter, so what we have to do? 4 units plus 3 units, 4 plus 7 perimeter, and how we will going to find the area? Area we are going to find a 4 multiply by 3. Okay, if there is a, we are going to find the perimeter, so we do the what? There we will do a addition. Okay, if we find the perimeter, so there we will do the addition, and then after multiplication in area. So that is a vast difference between both things, my dear. Understood? And area always represent as a form of A, the number of the square unit inside a shape, a length multiplied by width. Got my points? 4 3s are 12. So here is the 12 units. Answer C. A is equal to A for area is equal to 12 square units, or a 12 centimeters square. Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. This is the concept of the area and concept of the what? Concept of the area and concept of the perimeter. Done. Now we will move on the example. Yesterday, as per I was told you, look at the image below. Can you spot the mistakes in finding the perimeter? What is the actual perimeter of this? Means we have here is the difference. It's not a 10. We have to find a proper 1 2 3 4 5 6 to till 20. So see, this is, my dear students, 1 to 10 is it in right order if we are going to find the mistakes. So 1 unit for 1, 2 units it's right, 3 here, 4 here is come, but here is mistake. Okay, we dictate the mistake here. Here is 3 and 4. 3 is here and 4 is here, it's coming. Then after 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then after one more is coming. Then, my dear students, so where is a mistake? Okay, here is the mistake, my dear students. Got my points? Understood? So now we are going to write up in proper way. 1, here is the 1, my dear students. Then after the 2, then after the 3, Then after 3, my dear students. Then after the 4th, my dear students. My dear students, as like that we are going to write a wall things. Okay, my dear students. So my dear students, here is the 3. Okay, and here then after the 4th is where, my dear students? 4 is also there. Okay, 4 is also here, my dear students. Okay, 4 is also here, and 3 is this side. Then after the 5, my dear students, 5 is here. Then after the 6 is here. Six is here, my dear students. Then further the 7 is here. Then after the 8, my dear students. Then after the 9th, my dear students. Okay. Then after the 10, my dear students. Then after the 11, what, my dear students? Then after the 11. Okay, 9 here, 10 here, but 11 is where? 11 is also here. Then after the last one is coming a 12. It's the 12. It's a proper perimeter units. How many units? It's a proper perimeter units. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. So now here we write the 12 perimeters. Here is our answer. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? This is important for us, and you have to write this in your book. Okay, this is our answer. Got my points? This is our answer. As like that we are going to solve the whole things. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Thank you so much, all of you, my dear students. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, dear.